Imagine feeling energized and nourished within minutes. That's the power of fruit. Today we'll explore the incredible benefits of adding fruit to your diet quickly. Fruits are nature's candy. They offer essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Eating fruit can boost your mood and protect against diseases. But how do we incorporate more fruit into our lives quickly? First, choose fresh, colorful options. Think bananas, berries, apples, and oranges. These fruits are packed with nutrients. Second, consider cutting and storing fruit ahead of time. This way you'll always have a healthy snack handy. Next, blend fruits into smoothies. This is a fun way to enjoy multiple fruits at once. Lastly, look out for fruit-based recipes. You can make delicious salsas or salads quickly. Let's visualize. You're at work. Instead of chips, grab an apple. Apples are high in fiber and great for digestion. Feeling tired? A banana provides energy quickly. In summary, fruit is easy to add into your daily routine. It's convenient, healthy, and satisfying. Imagine starting your day with a vibrant smoothie. Blend together spinach, a banana, strawberries, and a splash of almond milk for a tasty boost. Not only are you consuming a variety of fruits, but you're also incorporating greens for extra nutrients. This delicious drink fuels your body and mind, making it easy to tackle your morning tasks. Throughout the day, keep your favorite fruits nearby. A handful of berries as a mid-morning snack or apple slices with peanut butter can keep cravings at bay. Making fruit a staple in your diet doesn't have to be challenging. It's all about enjoyable choices and simple preparations that fit into your routine. Combine fruit with your breakfast for an extra energy lift. Toss in diced apples or berries onto your oatmeal or yogurt. This not only enhances the flavor, but also elevates the nutritional value of your first meal. Moreover, consider packing a small container of mixed fruit for an afternoon snack. This small change can provide a sweet recharge, helping you feel refreshed and ready to finish the day strong. As the sun begins to set, think of incorporating fruit into dinner. A colorful fruit salad can complement grilled chicken or fish beautifully, adding a burst of flavor and nourishment to your plate. Embrace these simple strategies to incorporate fruits into your everyday meals easily. Consider experimenting with fruit-infused water for a refreshing drink. Slice up citrus fruits like lemons and limes, or add berries to a pitcher of water. This not only hydrates, but also provides a subtle flavor that makes drinking water more enjoyable. Infused water is an easy way to increase your fruit intake while keeping a focus on hydration throughout the day. By taking these small steps, you can effortlessly enjoy the diverse flavors and benefits of fruit, transforming your diet for better health and vitality. So, embrace the joy of fresh fruit and let it elevate your meals and snacks in delightful ways, fueling your body and spirit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.